Hi there, I'm Andy, one of the creative strategists at MLive Media Group, and I want to share with you some Photoshop tips that you might not know about yet. This time, we're going to be learning about clipping masks. So what are clipping masks? Well, they're basically a way to mask out or hide parts of an image that you don't want showing. That's how I created this image. Let me show you how it works. So I start out with a background already in place, and I've also pasted in the image of the girl. Now what I'd like to do is go up to Select, click Color Range, and I'm going to select the black in here because that's the part that I want to actually show. Now, once I hit OK, you can see the black is selected, and I'll go down to this little button down here that says Add Layer Mask, and I'm going to click that. Now, you can see that only the black that I selected is actually showing within the photo. Now, this is one way to add a layer mask. There's also another way. Let me show you how that works. So, I'm going to actually duplicate this image. I'm going to hide the one behind, and I'm going to click the layer mask right here. I'm going to right click and click Apply Layer Mask. Now, that means that the changes that I just made, they're not temporary, they're permanent now. Those pixels that are hiding are already gone, but that's okay because we want that for our next step. Now, I have another image posted in here, and I'm going to pull that up. Now, what I can do is right click on this layer and say Create Clipping Mask. Now, what this does, once I hit it, it sort of works like the other clipping mask, but this one is dependent on the layer below. What that means is the only part of the landscape image that's showing is the part that's directly over the pixels of the layer below. Pretty cool, right? Well, thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope you learned something and have fun creating.